Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys, G generation from year 2012 to year 2019. And if you need to find where the fuse is located for the cigarette lighter, stay with us and we'll explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, you guys have 3 fuse boxes in your Ford C-Max. One of them is actually located under the hood, one is inside the vehicle, one is in the trunk. We have a special video that explains the location of the fuses and relays on Ford C-Max, guys. And now, this is one of them, that's the exterior one, under the hood on the driver's side. But actually, guys, okay, the interior fuse box is located in the passenger side compartment right here. And if you look, I have that cover removed now under the glove box. We removed it so you can see the fuses, and those are, guys, the fuses. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit, and the fuse that we're looking at, you can see the fuse number in the top right corner of the fuse. Okay, but the fuse that we're looking at is fuse number 61. Okay, and it's that 20M fuse. Now, if you want to see how to test fuse on a car, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out, it will be shared for your convenience. This right here, it's known as the BCM module, body control module on Ford C-Max. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.